They said that we didn't know how to stop and start, but a black man made the traffic light. They said we didn't know how to make cities. Y'all ain't gonna talk to me. But Nimrod, the mighty hunter, I feel like preaching, was the first person to establish cities. When they said that we didn't know how our geography, it was a black man that even laid out the streets of Washington, D.C. When they said we didn't know nothing about grass, we invented the lawnmower. Y'all ain't gonna help me through here. When they said, help me say, when they said that blood could not be categorized, it was a black man. I think it was Mr. Drew. Y'all ain't gonna talk to me, who said, I know how to bring hot blood into plasma to save lives. My brothers and my sisters, I submit to you this morning that it was all about God being on our side.